Very good morning to all my dear children. Today in this part of the video we will be learning about the central processing unit, which is also known as the brain of the computer, and what makes a computer powerful. Let us start with the central processing unit, which is the most important part of a computer. The central processing unit, which is also known as the brain of the computer, processes all the instructions given in the computer. It can do the calculation, it stores information, and it processes the information also. Our central processing unit is mainly divided into three parts: AMU, CU and ALU. MU, which is known as a memory unit, stores all the informations and data as per our need. It can be changed, it can be saved, and it can be seen on a screen. The data and instructions are also stored in a memory unit which needs to be processed, which is also temporary memory, as we have learned in our previous videos. Now, what is the role of a control unit? A control unit looks like a traffic policeman. It works like a traffic policeman rather. It controls and manages all the working parts of a computer. Like our brain gives all the signals, the central processing unit gives, and inside the central processing unit, the control unit, as the name says, the control unit controls all the functions of the computer. Arithmetic and logical unit is a part of the computer which performs all the functions like arithmetic, subtraction, multiplication and division. And logical unit like plus, greater than, equal to, smaller, bigger, all this calculation is done by the logical unit. Now the memory unit, control unit and arithmetic and logical unit, all three together is a part of the central processing unit. The central processing unit, the CPU, looks like a big box which is on the screen. You all can see it's a rectangular big box. Whenever we put in a data, it first goes to the central processing unit, control unit part. The data, when suppose we write 2 plus 2, this data will first go to control unit, then it will go to the arithmetic and logical unit, and whatever the data is stored, the answer will be stored in the memory unit. So when the process is, children, when we type in a data, the data goes to the CPU. Inside the CPU goes to the control unit, then it goes to the arithmetic and logical unit, and the final result comes into the memory unit. So whatever we store in the memory unit, we can store it permanently or we can store it in a temporarily basis. If we save in a permanent basis, we can save the file, and if we don't save, when the electricity goes, the data automatically moves out. So every time we are asked to save the data if it is important. We can also save the data with the help of external devices if it is required, like pen drive, hard disk, flash drive. We can put it on the USB or many other modes. So children, the full form of CU is the control unit, MU is the memory unit, and ALU is the arithmetic and logical unit. Now let us discuss what are the advantages and disadvantages of a computer. As we all know, a computer is very fast and the data which we receive from the computer is very reliable. It stores huge data, and a computer can do multitask at the same time. If we are listening to a music, we can simultaneously draw. We can read or we can type, and simultaneously someone can save a data on the back end. So in there we can play games, we can watch movie, we can study, we can read an article. So a computer basically is it has very fast, it is reliable, it stores data, it is accurate, and it helps us in doing multitask. But there are certain disadvantages also of a computer. We all know, right children? A computer doesn't have any IQ. If you give a wrong input, the computer will process a wrong output. So it is popularly known as garbage in and garbage out. And if you watch too much of computer, it will affect our eyesight. Thank you children. And if you all have any doubt, please write in the comment box and keep watching the channel, and please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.